can see, it's a very sexy looking car. It's a four-wheel drive, Group A engined Puma. It's been built by a Ford technical support team. They built it just to show everybody what they can do. It's a rather limited budget. Goes very well. Four-wheel drive, of course, so it's got good traction. Excellent brakes. They're almost bigger than most of the wheels on the other rally cars, so it's got good stopping power, and hopefully it'll go as well as it looks. Ford have given me this opportunity to drive the car, which is very nice of them. It's a development outing. We can't expect to do too well because we've literally not had any time in the car. We'd want to develop the car, get it running well. Hopefully by the end of the day we'll be setting some fastest times, but I'm under no illusions. It's a car that hasn't really turned a wheel. This is its first competitive debut. And there's also a 1.6 front-wheel drive car and a 1.4 front-wheel drive car, which are coming later on in the year, which we're also developing. So hopefully that is the route that we'll be taking this year.